The dumbbell deadlift to press is a full body compound exercise that targets your glutes, hamstrings, and shoulders. This combo move is efficient when time is tight, but for optimal muscle and strength gains, it's smarter to split the exercises so your smaller muscles don't limit the performance of your larger, more powerful ones. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding the dumbbells in front of your thighs with a neutral grip. Brace your core and lock in your lats. Hinge at the hips, push your glutes back, and lower the dumbbells down your legs, keeping your back flat and chest proud. To generate the power for the press, drive through your heels and squeeze your glutes to stand back up. Stay tight through your core, then smoothly transition the dumbbells to your shoulders by bending your elbows and rotating your wrist to hold them in the rack position with a neutral palms facing in grip. While maintaining the neutral grip, press the dumbbell straight overhead with your biceps by your ears. Control the descent and return to the starting position. Repeat for reps. If you want to see real results in the gym, it's time to stop doing random workouts and start following a structured plan. Try my workout app free for 7 days.